Hi, I'm Kerry. I'm the service manager of Sesame Lane Cotton Tree Drive. We're going to discuss the procedure of transporting children either on an excursion or to and from school. So at the moment we've collected them from the classroom and we've now come over to the kiosk because we need to sign the children out of the service. I need to take a mobile phone with us just in case for an emergency. Obviously the bus key, the roll call with the family's contact details. We also have those details in the bus. Okay, now once we're at the bus, we open the door and Miss Chris will call the children one at a time into the bus and she will allocate them a seat to sit.
All right. So Lane, would you like to hop on your chair, please? That's the red one.
Sometimes
Thank you,
I
Lane.
like doing walk. Every time I want my sometimes
Lane,
and every
signed on.
time I do it like
At 10:25. Elias, would you now like to go on? So what I'm about to do now is to help Elias with his seatbelt. Okay, Elias?
I can see the way.
Can you sit back in your seat for me, please, so we can put our arms in?
Yes.
That's it, one arm in. Now the other arm in.
Okay, now Chris has put the children onto the bus and she has put them all into their seats and checked their seatbelts. It's now my turn to make sure that the seatbelts are done up correctly as well.
He is already. I like time.
And yours is tight too? Okay, not a problem. Well done. Okay, Miss Chris, you may take your seat.
Thank you, Miss Kerry.
So now the children are all safe in their seatbelts. I need to write in our vehicle log.
Child checkmate is now activated.
So that will stay activated until I turn the bus off.
We need to be safety.
We are now parked, guys, which means we can take our seatbelts off. Would you like some help, Elias? Good job, Lane. Now we need to stay there, please. 11:22. I'm signing the children off the bus.
So now the ignition's back on.
Please conduct your child search now.
Now I need to go and conduct my search. So as I'm walking through, I'm checking. I've pressed the button.
Is now deactivated.
It is deactivated, but I'm still checking. Making sure we check under the seats as well. Now I've checked. Now the Chris is going to hop back on and check.
Rub them together. Down a little bit. Got you. Rub hands together.
Just going to wait inside because I need to mark you back into the centre. Elias, thank you. Lane, are you here?
Yes.
Thank you.
Back in service.
Thank you.
Look at me.
Okay, so now all the bus has been checked by myself, the driver, and Chris, who was the other second educator on the bus. We also need a third educator to check the bus as well. Miss Pam, can you please go and check the bus, please?
Sure.
Thank you. Now while Pam is checking the bus, when she gets back, she will also sign the form to say that she is the third checker and she has witnessed that there's no children left on the bus.